Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to add a drop-down menu into your Excel sheet. Drop-down menus can be really handy for data entry, organizing information, and creating user-friendly interface. So now let's dive into it and let's see how we can do it. Now, as you can see, our Excel sheet is already opened right now. So now let's create a list of options for our drop-down menu. So I'll go ahead and select this B column just for example to let you know how we can do it. So now I selected it, the B column, and now in this Excel column or Excel menu, you'll see the data. Click on data and then click on data validations. You see that you click on it, then this menu will shows up in the right section and it says add a new rule. So because we are adding the drop down rule to our column, so it is already selected. You can see the criteria, it says drop down, it is already selected. So the sheet is selected to b1 to b1000. So now we just leave it as it is. Now add another item. So if you have like more values, like you can add into these options. So I will just give you the example. I will add new rules to be option 1 2 3 4. You can go for the 10 20, how much data or how much the value is, you can just go it and it will go. So now you see this advanced option. So in the advanced option you can changes some interface or some style in your drop down menu as well. So in the display section, this chip one is selected right now. It shows like that, is a light color, this selected menu. So if we go for the arrow one, just looks like that. It is more like it hides it, like it doesn't feel like we add a drop down menu in our Excel data. So it and once you click on this like short arrow button, this menu will shows up and it is more looking nice as well. So we add all the things we need. Now we can click on done, and now you can see this rule is successfully added in our B column. Now we just close this menu and see our drop down menu is now already added in our sheet or data. So if I want to add options, I can do it. Like let's suppose option 1 2, like I will put 3. Option 1, it is like more easier to add or arrange or organize data easily in your Excel sheet, so you don't have to type it again and again. You just click on it and it will give you more options and just you have to select it. So that's pretty much it for this video, for this tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you find helpful, if you have any kind of questions or suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comments below. I will definitely leave it as it is. So thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tutorials and tips, and I will see you in the next video. Then take care and peace. Bye bye.